The Constitution of India. Part 6, The States. Chapter 2. The Executive. The Governor. Article 158. Conditions of Governor's Office. 1. The Governor shall not be a member of either House of Parliament, or of a House of the Legislature of any state, specified in the first schedule. And, if a member of either House of Parliament, or of a House of the Legislature of any such state be appointed Governor, he shall be deemed to have vacated his seat, in that House on the date, on which he enters upon his office as Governor. 2. The Governor shall not hold any other office of profit. 3. The Governor shall be entitled without payment of rent, to the use of his official residences, and shall be also entitled to such emoluments, allowances, and privileges as may be determined by Parliament by law, and, until provision in that behalf is so made, such emoluments, allowances and privileges, as are specified in the second schedule. 3a. Where the same person is appointed as Governor of two or more states, the emoluments and allowances payable to the Governor shall be allocated among the states, in such proportion as the President may by order determine. 4. The emoluments and allowances of the Governor shall not be diminished during his term of office.